Oh, sorry. It may have been. Oh,
Oh dear.
I don't know what happens.
I'm coming. I'm just gonna throw a ball jar just in case. I don't know what this tank is doing, but okay. Oh, it's going after you. He's dead. He's dead. We're fine. We're fine.
Team kill.
Which way do you guys want to go? Right or left? Spitter.
Ow.
Let's go towards Spitter. Oh.
I'm gonna die.
You're on your way for a little bit. Oh, ah, it's stupid me. Oh, there's
Powder.
another bottle.
There's peels here too.
Peels.
Pills could be useful.
There's a lot of pills here, actually.
Oh, is there?
I got these pills.
Oh. Rochelle actually took one!
Well,
That is the most amazing thing.
it doesn't go anywhere.
Okay, then we have to go the other way. That is literally the most amazing thing I've seen in ages. Rochelle actually grabbing something.
I'm going back outside.
Oh yeah. Back into the rain. Is dead.
He's dead.
In Russia. Hunter prey you.
Ammo.
Ooh.
Oh, big gun.
Yeah! I know what I've switched to immediately. And I'm sure you switched
I don't know if
to
I
it
should
too.
drop my shotgun, but okay.
Huh?
I dropped my shotgun.
Oh. Should be fine. I mean, the worst that can happen is that we'll die. There's a staircase, by the way, over here.
No one uses stairs anymore.
Weapons over here.
I mean, if you want to break your legs.
Dude, staircases are so
Overrated.
2016.
Weapons over here.
What's this
I
thing?
hear a...
There it is.
Oh. I will protect you!
Oh,
Put up your sound barrier.
oh.
It's alright. I am walking around erratically. Charger. Charger and goo. That's convenient.
I'll charge your goo. Ammo here.
Oh, sweet. And
I'm a
Targaryen's
reload.
hammer. My guess is
Can we
that we
go-
go up here. I love how Rochelle's just standing there. Oh, I was hoping to come down and just kill it. Anything here? No.
Welcome to my home.
Yeah. Just a hole in the wall. Do we go here or do we go the other way?
Check both ways.
Dead end here.
Dead in there? Okay.
Oh,
Boomer. Reloading.
Shit, I'm mine.
Reloading.
No, not a shot first.
Oh, Matt.
Drugs.
What was that for?
yeah. What was that for?
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna like shoot you in the head. I can't see Jack's blood. What? Why is this door yellow? I'm
What
worried.
door?
This one right here.
Watch out.
The window.
Well, it's yellow. Like highlighted.
It's because it's being outlined by the light outside.
Oh, okay, fair enough. I thought it was like something special.
Never get out of the boat. Never get out.
You're
No,
gonna die,
it's
Matt.
just the creator couldn't make it fit. So
There's
later.
a guitar again.
No.
If you so decided to switch to discordant music.
Twang. Twang.
There's an eagle. Right here is Desert Eagle.
Safe rooms nearby.
I'm starting. Stay close. Weapons.
Ah!
What? Oh
Oh,
wait,
are
there's
we
no...
supposed to go down there?
I think we're supposed to go down, yeah. Too late.
I can't see a damn thing.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's weird because we're indoors.
Oh.
Incoming.
Oh, there's a health pack in the corner. Multiple health packs. There may be salvation yet. Oh dear. I've just been killed. I can't say it.
Oh, charger incoming.
Oh,
Where is it?
I don't know.
He's dead now.
Okay. My screen's just becoming very red.
Get out of there.
Oh my god!
No,
Oh my
other
god!
way,
Oh
other
my
way,
god!
other way, other way.
I'm down.
Let's get your ass out.
That was funny.
Thanks a lot.
It's so funny.
Oh, come on. Hey, can y'all cover me? I gotta heal.
You know what else is funny?
Better.
Oops.
That.
Oh, I let go of the button.
Fib unit here.
Just give me like 40 billion years. Okay.
Real good.
Let's do this again. That was the funniest thing ever. What are you talking about? It was so
It was
exhilarating.
great.
Destroy the barricade.
Destroy the barricade?
Hey, look,
Oh,
gas
we have to shoot
canister. Why?
Because fire.
Hey, watch out!
I have a gas canister.
Reloading.
But they have a gas canister.
Toss in a bow.
Those are the bottles. Oh,
Oh,
ah!
shit.
Ow! And ow! Ow! I just healed!
Did
Don't
you
do
just
this
shoot
to
it?
me.
No, I dropped it.
It wasn't supposed to be this way. Just dealing with some friends in the back. No. No.
No.
Okay, we can go through now. Or, well, supposedly. Okay, let's try this again.
Reloading here.
Please don't shoot me.
Oh, where are you?
Why would we?
Don't
Oh,
move.
safe house ahead.
We shoot you right in the face.
It's really blue in here.
It's gonna be a tank.
You think?
Look, there's a gas tank.
Well, he did say a
Sounds
tank.
like
He
a
didn't
witch.
specify what kind of tank.
Propane
There's
tank.
a witch
Where? I don't see
on our
her
way
yet.
to the safe house.
Okay, well, I'll grab one too.
She's like in the right side.
Nice.
Jockey!
Nice.
Dead jockey now.
Ammo in here. Oh look, they even gave us a shotgun.
Oh my god, my favorite gun. I have to switch, I'm sorry. Ooh, there are rounds here. Dropping. Incendiary. Let's go.
Time to start some fires. Who's
Any
with me?
healing?
Alright, where is this witch?
Weapons over here.
Oh my god, ooh, it's right there.
Let's burn some shit.
Awesome.
Ahem. Die.
I am not gonna heal Rochelle because we need this more than she does. There's a defib on the floor somewhere now because I picked up the...
Got a defib.
Got it.
Apparently Reaper picked it up even though she's supposed to be killing people, not healing people.
Live, live, live!
Oh, I'm Reaper?
We got a boom!
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
We got a bullseye. That's what we got now.
Ow.
What? What's she owing about?
Someone
Oh.
shot me.
That might have been me. You got a junk rat.
Yep, I hear it. I think we went the wrong way.
Yep, my way is outside.
Wait, there must be a ladder. Because it climbed up. Never mind! I just fell in.
I see the jockey.
I'll be fine.
It's on the balcony outside, you
fine.
guys.
Everything's fine.
It
Life
came
is
to you.
fine.
Oh, this isn't the wrong way. This is another way.
Just, yeah, okay. You spoke of it, Hunter.
Reloading. Reloading.
Inimizin kumanda ya.
Excuse me.
I don't know.
I'm reloading.
Anything in there?
Reloading.
Candy. There was nothing inside.
Boomer.
Did
Oops.
What?
no? It's just the boomer blew up into the gas canister over our heads.
That's always fun. Oh, I think we're dropping it.
No.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Oh!
Hunter on Ellis.
I saw him flying to me in what felt like slow motion. What the heck's that noise?
Reloading.
Do you hear that noise?
No.
Reloading.
Oh, you know what? I think it's the skin. I think the skin's going messed up again.
I'm reloading.
It's making,
It's
this,
not even Lucio.
Reload.
it's making this
Reloading.
really funny noise.
Takes a licking.
Reloading.
What? You guys got fire ammo?
Yeah, I put it in
Incendiary.
incendiary.
Oh, I thought when you said incendiary, you meant the grenade.
I would say grenade.
Or that, or I just
Oh,
didn't
God.
hear it at all. I don't know. One of the other.
Rochelle, you're so dumb.
Damn, you're good.
The gas can. Oh, okay, you took it.
Safe house.
Oh, is it? Oh. Let me grab the gas